This was the heart of industrial South Wales. There was a mine there. The Heritage Park Hotel was built on the old Pithead Baths, and all around here are all the slag heaps and black, but look at it now, it's so different. Well, next door to the hotel is the Rhondda Heritage Park. It's the site of the old Lewis Merthyr colliery. Well, greetings from the Heritage Park Hotel. I'm like an old man getting up these days. Anyway, let's take a look round. As you come in, we've got the lounge area. I like the styling. It's like, I don't know, like 70s retro, but a modern take on it. You've got a TV here, TV in the lounge area, and then we go through, there's another TV on this side of the wall as well, which is cool. Bed, and then we're gonna go into the bathroom. It's got a big bath. You can get a few people in there, if that's your thing. And then, same for the shower.